Xin chào quý thầy cô Evit, em tên là Lê Phước Hiếu, mã số 4140, nhà 213. Sau đây em xin làm bài tập số V019. There is cognitive limitation, self-realization, fear of failure, fear of criticism, fear of lack of understanding, fear of lack of condition, and lack of vision for the future. Through the realm of these cognitive limitations and biases will be removed from within. As the saying goes, an act is exerts a force from the outside is food, and inside is life. That's all. Thank you for listening.